We have to put in question number, this is in 20. Question number 20, we have to continue same topic, exercise 7.2. And we have to put e के power 2x plus put e के power 2x plus e के power minus 2x equal to t. So this gives 2 is common. 2x minus e के power minus 2x into dx equal to dt. Then we have this is equal to dt upon 2. So 1 by 2 is constant. They have also written this is dt and this is t. This also write log t. This is very easy and simple. Log t plus c. We also explain 1 upon 2. Log and the value of t, e to the power 2x plus e के power minus 2x plus c. We have also check and explain. This is the question. We have to substitute e के power 2x plus e के power minus 2x equal to t. Put. Then this is equal to 2 is common. E के same to same. Minus e के power minus 2x into dx. This is the value of this equal to dt upon 2. And then 1 upon 2. This is very easy. dt upon t. This is the formula of log t plus c. And we also put and the value of t. Log e के power 2x plus e के power minus 2x. This is the complete answer and solution.
Start.
This is 21. Question number 21. Question is tan power 2x minus 3 into dt. We have 2x minus 3 equal to t, and this is 2 into dx equal to dt, and also dx equal to dt upon 2. Also put dt. Here is tan square t into dt upon 2, and we also 1 upon 2. This is sec square t minus 1. Sec square t minus 1 into dt. We also write 1 upon 2 sec square t. We have two terms. So sec square t into dt minus dt. We also we know that formula, and 1 by t, or this is sec square t means tan t. This is the formula, tan t, or this is t. And last we have to put the value of t. So we have to write here 1 upon 2 tan, what is t? So 2x minus 3 and minus 2x minus 3. This is the complete solution, and we have to explain. Question is tan square 2x minus 3. We have to put 2x minus 3 equal to t. So 2 into dx equal to dt, and dx equal to dt upon 2. We also write tan square t. We know that we have also formula sec square t minus 1. We have also put terms sec square t minus dt. We also know that the formula of sec square t is tan t, and we also put the value of tan t. Square sec square 7 minus 4x. 7 minus 4x into dx. We also put this. This is the method 7 minus 4x and 4x. 7 minus 4x equal to 3. So this is minus 4 into dx equal to dt. We also know that dx equal to dt upon minus 4. This is the value of dx. So here is dx. So minus, we have to take common, and this is the form of sec square t into dt. By 1 upon 4 is also here. So minus 1 upon 4 sec square t means tan t. This is the formula. Plus c. And we also know that 1 upon 4 tan. What is t? The value of t 7 minus 4x. And c. This is the constant. We have to explain and check. Sec square 7 minus 4x into dx. We also put 7 minus 4x equal to t, and minus 4 into dx equal to dt, and also dx equal to dt upon minus 4. Minus 1 upon 4 sec square t into dt, or this is the answer tan t plus c. We also substitute the value of t in 7 minus 4x, and we have to see in every question. Next. Question is sin inverse x. Sin inverse x upon root under 1 minus x square. This is 1 minus x square. No, this is dx. We have to substitute sin inverse x. Sin inverse x equal to t. We have also know that the differentiation of root under 1 minus x square into dx equal to dt. So this is the value of dx. This is we also here. So we have to put a sign. This is t and this is dt and simple t. We also know that t square. This is algebraic term. So t square plus 2, and we also t means sin inverse x. Sin inverse x, and this is power 2 upon 2. This is the complete answer, and we have to check. Sin inverse x we have to put, and sin inverse x equal to t. Then 1 upon root under 1 minus x square into dx. This is also dx upon this. We also put this is dt and this is t. This is in algebraic form. So t 1 plus 1 2 upon 2 plus c. And we also put the value of t for sin inverse x power 2 upon 2 plus c. And 2 या 3. We have to take 2. So this is equal to 3 cos x. Cos x plus 2 common, so 2 sin x. Into, we also put this 3. Put 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equal to 3. So 3 sin x, and cos x means minus. So 3 minus sin x plus 2 cos x, and this is dx equal to dt. This is also equal minus 3 sin x, so this is dt upon 2. So we have 1 upon 2 is constant, and this is minus, this is dt, also t. So this is log t, 1 upon 2 log, what is t? T plus c. We have also the value of log t to half log. What is t? So 3 cos x or plus 2 sin x. This is the complete answer, and we have to explain. Here we put this. We have to form 2 is common. So 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. We have to substitute this. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equal to t. So 3 minus 3 sin x plus 2 and cos x into dx. So this is also over. So this is dt upon t. 1 upon 2 is bahar, and 1 upon 2, and this is very easy, log t. We also substitute the value of t. This is the complete answer and the solution. Cos square x. The small bracket 1 minus tan x power 2. 1 upon cos square x we also write This is sec square x. And sec square x into dx. Here is 1 minus tan x. We have to write in standard form. We also put the value of the value of put 1 minus tan x equal to t. So 1 minus tan x means sec square x into dx equal to dt. Or 1 means 0. This is 0. So minus sec square x. This is minus. This also is minus dt. And answer is minus dt upon t k power 2. T k power 2 means we have also t minus 2. This is in algebraic form. Plus c. We also substitute the value of t. T is tan x. So this is tan x power minus 1 upon 2 times minus 1. This is also minus 1 plus c. So minus minus plus. So this is 1 upon tan x plus 1. Sorry, plus c. We have to check and explain. This is the question is cos square x 1 minus tan square x. We also 1 upon cos square x equal to sec square x into dx and 1 minus tan x power 2. So this is also 1 minus tan x power 2. We also put the value of t. So this is minus. This is minus also. So sec square x into dx equal to dt. This is dt. So dt upon t k power 2 and t k power 2 means minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 so plus c. And we also then put the value. This is dt. What is t? Tan x. We also substitute 1 upon tan x. Okay. This is the complete answer. Upon root x into dx. We have to put root x. Put and root x equal to t. We also know that 1 upon 2 root x equal to dt. And this is also dx. So dx upon root x into dx. मतलब 2 dt. This also right 2 dt. And this is also cos. This is also here. 2 is here. 2 is outside. We also write 2 is outside and cos t. Very easy. Cos t. This is simple formula. Cos t. This is sin t. Plus c. We also substitute sin t means sin and this is root x plus c. We have to check and explain. We also write 2. This is 2. We have to check and explain. If this root x equal to t. The root x equal to t means 1 upon 2 root x into dx. So dx upon 2 root x equal to dt. And 2 cos t. This is cos t into dt. And cos t we know also know that sin t. So 2 sin t plus c. We also write 2 sin and the value of t. We have sin 2x. So we have sin 2x. Sin 2x equal to 3. So sin cos. This is simple. Cos 2x and also this is positive and 2 is into dx equal to d. This means cos 2x into dx equal to dt upon root. We also substitute here. This is root t into dt upon 2. 1 upon 2 is here. And also write 1 upon 2 root t. So t means sin 2x. And plus c. We have also check and explain. Question is root sin 2x into cos 2x into dx. We also substitute sin 2x equal to t. So 2 cos 2x into dx equal to dt. and cos 2x into dx equal to dt upon 2, and this is half root 3 into dt, and we also substitute 2 sin 2x plus c.